Chaos in Hungary as a crisis is declared in two counties struggling to cope with the growing number of migrants. Here they can be seen trying to force their way through one of the sealed-off border entrances in Serbia. Strict border rules were introduced at midnight to stem the flow of people into the country without valid documentation. New laws mean it's now a criminal offence punishable by prison or deportation to damage Hungary's newly erected border defences. And according to Associated Press, arrests were made overnight after some went underneath the wire that separates the country from Serbia. 2 official crossing points will allow migrants through, but only those who've applied for asylum in Serbia. Those who haven't will be returned to Serbia. But it's something of a catch-22 situation, because Serbian officials say they won't accept migrants back from Hungary.
At the moment, they can either go over the Hungarian border 500 meters down. There's a transition zone where they're allowing people to go in, but they have to register with fingerprinting, which people are reluctant to do. The second option, which we've given them, is they stay here and wait to try to put as much pressure as they can on the Hungarian government to open the border like they did yesterday.
Well, in the meantime, according to Associated Press, a group of migrants and refugees have blocked the main highway connecting Serbia and Hungary. They're refusing food and water until they're allowed to cross into Hungary. Here, a small number of men can be seen collecting up bottles of water from the crowd of migrants. One man goes so far as to pour it away. The Hungarian government's 4-metre-high border fence runs for 110 miles and is topped with razor wire. This refugee, who wishes to remain anonymous, says it doesn't matter if he dies here or in Afghanistan.
We are looking for freedom of movement. I won't take action illegally. I will wait here until the government of Hungary let me go through the country.